Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Turbo 3 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just tap on the contacts, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. I'll choose Peter. And now tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now tap on this profile picture in the circle and you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got a person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery and I'll choose this option. Now let's find the photo we would like to use, and as you can see in this step you can change the size of this highlighted square. You can also change the position of it, thanks to which you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because not circle but the square is responsible for it. So after positioning in just like you want to, confirm it with OK, and as you can see here we've got our photo. So let's tap on the stick icon and from now on your device will show the photo next to on the contact list and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.